friends. Today I'm going to read a book called Little Blue Truck for our farm week. Look at all the animals. Horn went beep, engine purred, friendliest sound you've ever heard. Little Blue Truck came down the road. Beep, said Blue to a big green toad. Toad said, croak, and winked an eye when Little Blue Truck went rolling by. Sheep went baa, cow said moo. Oink, said a piggy. Beep, said Blue. Cluck, said a chicken, and her chick said peep. Ma, said a goat. Blue said beep. Neigh, said a horse. Quack, said a duck. Beep, said the friendly Little Blue Truck. Looks like it's raining on this page, guys. Honk, yelled a dump truck coming through. I've got big important things to do. I haven't got time to pass the day with every duck along the way. Those ducks better move. Vroom, went the dump truck around the curve. He saw a puddle and tried to swerve. Into the mud rolled that fat truck, and his big important wheels got stuck. His heavy-duty dump truck tires were sunk down deep in muck and mere. Honk, cried the dump, and he sounded scared, but nobody heard, or nobody cared. Then, into the mud, bump, 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 came the Little Blue Truck to help the dump. Little Blue pushed with all his might. Now Blue and the dump were both stuck tight. Help! 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 Cried the Little Blue Truck. Beep, beep, beep. Everybody heard that. Beep, beep, beep. The cow came running with the pig and the sheep. Coming to the rescue. Up at a gallop ran the big brown horse. Goat jumped over the fence, of course. The hen came flapping with the chick and the duck, and everybody pushed the Little Blue Truck. Head to head and rump to rump, they all pushed Blue, who pushed the dump. They couldn't quite budge that heavy load. Then who hopped up but the big green toad? Look at those muscles. He looks strong. Maybe he could help them out of the mud. What do you think? All together, count. 1, 2, 3. One last push and the trucks were free. Yay. Thanks, little brother, said the dump to Blue. You helped me and they helped you. Now I see a lot depends on a helping hand from a few good friends. They're so nice. Beep, said Blue. Who wants a ride? Everybody scrambled to jump inside. Oink, quack, baa, moo, cluck, peep, neigh, croak, maa.